This is very special to me because it was the first recipe that my mom shared with me, and we always did this together. But it was the first time of doing it on my own, and that's why I always consulted my mom while doing it. I was so worried about, but the result was good.
Well, this is rendang beef is considered as one of the most, how can I say it, delicious for Indonesia, I guess. And also this food comes from Indonesia, it's called Sumatra Island. And then it's spread to other neighboring countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Darussalam. This is by stewing the beef and other spices in a really, how can I say it, in a quite long time. Maybe it takes 5 to 6 hours. So I think that's why the rendang name comes from. Thank you.
Ecuadorian has the opportunity to have other resources, for example, shrimp, for example, fish, octopus, calamar. So we are able to create ceviche with other recipes. However, Ecuadorians prefer shrimp ceviche because first we have the opportunity to have the ceviche in all the part of Ecuador, from the coast to the Amazon. Second, because the shrimp ceviche has a different flavor, so it's more tasteful, it's more rich than the other. So for that reason, Ecuadorians prefer the shrimp ceviche.
So basically, it depends on which region the food is from, like different parts. And the north region, that is Kashmir and Himachal and other places, there on the top, they generally eat spices, and they also eat curry. And just if you will go below, it's also another reason, but also they have the southern influence, also the central influence, and they eat naan, that is bread, a different kind of Indian bread, and then tandooris. That region grows the most of the spices in the world. So we generally use spices, and we have very different kinds of food, and it depends on which region you are from.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, the characteristics of Uzbekistan dish is really different from the Korean, even different from Asian, because we usually we add more species like like a salt, and sometimes we put more oil, but it's gonna be more delicious. And then we use usually the recipe from from Turkish dish, from and then Azerbaijan dish, so it's a kind of mix.